Hello and welcome everyone, Marcus Spall here from thesmallman.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can split cells. Let's say we've got a first and a last name here and it's all contained in one cell, but you want a first and a last name. Well, the first thing you've got to do is you need a place to put that last name. So we'll insert a column, and then we'll say that this is the last name. All right, now from that point on, what you want to do is you want to highlight the cells that contain the first and last name. Now you want to go to the data menu up here and we choose text to columns, Delimited is fine, that's what we want to do. We want to say, okay, there's a delimiter between the first and the last name, and that next is a space. You want to ensure that space is ticked, And then when you do that, you could actually hit finish now. You don't need to go through the next screen, but like if you want to see what's available, it's all there. And then we choose finish. And you can see that information gets split perfectly and there's no trailing space between the last name and there's no leading space in the last name. So there's no trailing space in the first name. There's no leading space for the last name. All right, so that's effectively at a high level how you do it. I've prepared a second example. So in the second example, your names are split with a comma. Well, we do the same thing. So we'll insert another row. We'll just call this last name and this one first. And what we do is we highlight the cells that have the names, first and last, text to columns. All right, so this is a little bit more complex. We go next, but not much. We've already got space ticked. We want comma, right? So if we untick space, you'll notice there's a space just there. But if we choose space as well, you'll see the pre-space disappears, The leading space disappears. All right, so we click finish and boom, the job is done. So that is how you split cells. There are far more complex ways you can do this, but that gets you on the path to being able to split one cell into multiple cells. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. Take care.